Hello everyone! Ta-da! I'm Clover. Welcome to my channel. Now, I'm making sushi-shaped candy. Yahoo! Wow, they're really delicious.
Delicious!
Today, I'm going to make sushi to eat. Take rice and put it in a bowl. Add water until it covers the rice. Cook the rice for 30 minutes. Retrieve the sushi ingredients from the fridge. Remove the skin from the salmon. Cut the salmon into small pieces. Next is the crab sticks. Remove the heads of the shrimp. Stir the shrimp. Okay, done. Now we'll boil the shrimp. Pour water into a pot. When the water is boiling, add the shrimp. Boil the shrimp for 5 minutes. Great! The shrimp is cooked and looks delicious. Now we'll peel the shrimp. The rice is cooked, and sushi cannot be made without rice. Add sesame oil to the rice, salt, mix them together. Now, we'll use the rice to